Let me just... Hello, this is Amber Wood. We've got the Nomad palette. Nomad Cosmetics Hudson Valley palette. It is launching tonight, tomorrow, now, whenever you're watching this. If you haven't done so yet, please make sure and subscribe to my channel so you get to see stuff like this all the time. Let's open her up. Usually I get these like the week before, but mail was slow. That's all right. I'm still excited about it. Oh, I can't get in it. They're eco-friendly and all that, which I love. Oh, follow instructions. There we go. Oh, look at the little pumpkin. If you're into fall colors, this is it. It's so beautiful. Isn't she lovely? So apparently one of the co-founders, Felicia, is from this place, Hudson Valley. I had never heard of it before. It says this is where she grew up, so it's probably pretty special. Oh, and look it, they included, look how cute this is, a guide. Oh, like a little map. Oh, that's cute. That's so fun. Sleepy Hollow. Ooh. I feel like I saw that movie a long time ago. Winery, Bear Mountain. So it's between Manhattan and Albany in New York. All right, let's get into this palette. Beautiful packaging, as usual. Nomad always knows how to do some good packaging. You guys, tons of videos out already. I'm tardy to the party because my mail was late, but look at how gorge. Oh my God, look, this one right here, my broken nail. Don't look at my nails. Look at it. That's my most favorite one right there. I'm very excited about it. What's it called? Corn maze. It's corn. Why do you like it? Because it's corn. Their embossing game is just lately, it's just really been on point. I mean, these are so cute. Look at this right here. So fun. I have to do some kind of fall look, obviously. I bought some fall scarves, and I'm not very good at doing leaves, but I'm going to try and do a leaf, I think. I'll put some leaf earrings on. Leafy. Leafy. We were looking for leafy. Why does that quote always end up in my videos? I don't know. The last look I did was kind of more green and stuff, so I think I'm going to stay more on this side of the palette and use some of the shimmers. Obviously, I just used this kind of orangey one as a highlight, and it was perfect. Oh my God. It's perfect. It's called Leaf Peepin'. Leaf peeping. Okay, so I wanted to try and do a leaf cut crease. I want to start over here with a dark situation and then just kind of build over, I feel like is what I'm going to do. I don't know if that's going to work, but that's what we're going to try. I'm always careful about reds though. This is a beautiful red. Red always makes me look ill. So I always am very careful about reds. I love the maroon. Okay, I'm gonna go in the brown. What's it called? Oktoberfest. It's got beer on it. Okay, we're just gonna go in the brown over here. Just kind of get something on the eye because I always have a hard time starting. I don't know about you guys, but with a look, I'm such a procrastination person with this. I'm gonna put some of that maroon right on top of it. What's the maroon called? Guys, I don't have my glasses on, so I have to look back. Wine Harvest. Oh yeah. Ooh, that is pretty. Let me blend this a little bit. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it though, because this package didn't show up until like 6:30 at night. So my kid's already in bed. It's late. I have to get up super early. So I can't be staying up all night tonight. Even though I would love to. If you've been nervous to buy some of their palettes, because a lot of them have been really colorful. Some people are scared of the color. But this is probably a good one to start with. Is it weird that I'm going to kind of use this like dark mossy green bed and breakfast? Just put it in my eyebrow. Is that weird? I don't know. I think it's kind of fun. I didn't want to just do brown. It's boring. Because my hair's not boring, right? I'm putting it in there. I don't care. Just means I'm using more of the palette. I think it looks cool. Q-tip. Jacked it right there. Okay, keep going, keep going. Fun little eyebrow tip. Brush it back, comb it down. Do the powder and then brush it back up. Okay, I think I'm done with these. Ugh, I love the brows. Oh my God. Okay, we gotta fix a little bit though. The tape is always good, but I always gotta go back and just kind of fix it up a little bit. Too sharp. I feel like it's lopsided. It's lopsided. Well, my eyes are lopsided anyways. Let me see if I can fix that. Huh. I gotta try and fix it. Let me bring this one down a little bit. It's a little off. I think I fixed it. That was pretty bad. I mean, sometimes they're off a bit, but that was really bad. Okay, I'm not doing all the concealer and all that business. I'm just putting some setting spray on there and just kind of making my cut crease a little bit here with the shimmers. Oh, they're so pretty. I mean, I don't even know what to say. I wanted to try and make a leaf out of my cut crease, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that yet. So I feel like I was trying to do the leaf and I feel like it's ruining it. So I might try and do that another day. I gotta get that green. Oh, that's so pretty. I love like a lime green in that inner corner. I love how that looks. So on the bottom, I just did the one with the pumpkins, the pumpkin patch, and then I put the dark guy over here in the corner, which is called Farm to Table. And before I opened it, I did an orange, kind of an orangey colored blush, but if you wanted to do an orange blush and you don't have an orange blush, I would use that right there, that orange right there. That one. And you might be like, orange blush? It looks so cute in the fall. Like, it's a vibe, right? Might need a little glitter. Okay, everybody needs to focus. I did mascara. Now I'm going to do these lashes that have like a little red on the end. So perfect. Okay, I couldn't let go of the leaf cut crease, so I've been kind of experimenting a little bit. I've got some Mayron paint. I don't know if it's going to look right, but I couldn't just, I really want it, so I'm going to try and make it work. I think I was trying to use too dark of a color over here, and it just wasn't good. Leaves are always so hard for me. I hate doing leaves. Why do I always do it? That just looks like fire. I'm going to keep trying. I just really wanted this to work. See, it's going like orange to red. So I thought that might be better than trying to do that brown right in the middle. That just was a no. These are water activated eyeliners, so I think it's a little better. It's a little easier to do on the eyelid because it's so thin and I'm old. I'm old, so mine is really thin. I'm gonna make this work. It looks a little weird right now, but I'm gonna make it work. Here's where we are with the leaves. I'm highlighting with this glitter liner and I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm not sure if it looks like I wanted it to, but it's gonna have to do. I think it's fun. I mean, it might look a little fiery, but I think that looks cool, right? It's very shimmery. Like, I kind of want to do, there's kind of a weird green lipstick I thought might match my eyebrows. Would that be too much? I want to try it. I don't want to do just basic. Okay, I found the green. Is this too much? I like it. It's kind of mossy. It's called Karma. Oh my gosh. So I really love the green lipstick. I think it was a great choice. You guys, this palette is so lovely. If you are looking for a new fall color palette, this is the one to grab. There's always a cause that they support with their launches, and this time it's for the Scenic Hudson, which protects the Hudson River and surrounding lands. So awesome. So not only are you getting a great palette, you're also supporting a great cause. You guys, let me know what you think of the look. I also added some little leafy things in my hair. I'm really kind of loving how the leaf cut crease came out. I even added some of this kind of highlight, this shimmer down here as a little highlight on my chest, which I kind of love. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.